you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. I hate to turn up out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I told you to see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, someone like you. I wish nothing but the best.
Here's your part.
You know how the time flies away. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days.
Sing it, Death Row.
I hate to turn up out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
Comes your favorite part.
Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes they make.